further notice. Minor flooding is forecast. The areas affected include northeast KXI River near Bergdahl. The hazardous conditions are expected from Sunday evening until further notice. Impacts at 11.5 feet. Flood waters begin to affect roads in Alligator Lake subdivision.
What's your flood warning?
Flooding worsens in the River Bend and Riverbird subdivisions and along Crooms Bridge Road and Old Maple Hill Road. Additional details. At 2:30 p.m. Friday, the stage was 1.4 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late Sunday evening and continue rising to a crest of 11.6 feet Tuesday morning. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.